Good evening, I'm Katrina Brown. The Federal Reserve has made a significant policy shift by announcing a rate cut. This decision marks a departure from its previous focus on aggressively combating inflation. The Fed's announcement comes in the wake of recent economic data that has shown inflation easing and the job market cooling down. The central bank's primary mandate is to achieve maximum employment and price stability. With inflation on the decline, the Fed is now aiming to stimulate the economy and prevent a potential recession by lowering interest rates. By reducing interest rates, the Fed hopes to make borrowing more affordable for businesses and consumers. This could lead to increased investment, spending, and economic growth. However, some economists have expressed concerns that cutting rates too aggressively could reignite inflation, which has been a persistent issue in recent years. The Fed's decision has been met with mixed reactions from financial markets. While some investors are optimistic that it will boost economic activity, others are wary of the potential risks associated with lower interest rates. We will continue to follow this developing story and provide updates as more information becomes available. We're now turning our attention to the housing market, where a recent lawsuit has raised concerns about potential anti-competitive practices. RealPage, a major provider of property management software, is facing accusations of price fixing. The lawsuit alleges that RealPage conspired with other companies to inflate the cost of its services, ultimately impacting the rental prices tenants pay across the country. While the details of the lawsuit are still unfolding, it highlights ongoing anxieties surrounding housing affordability. Rents have been steadily climbing in recent years, putting a strain on many renters' budgets. If these allegations against RealPage hold true, it could indicate a systemic issue within the property management industry. We'll continue to monitor the case and provide updates as the investigation progresses. In the meantime, housing experts advise renters to be proactive. Researching rental markets, comparing prices across different properties, and negotiating lease terms can all be helpful tactics in securing affordable housing. This is Katrina Brown, reporting from Newswire TV. We'll be back after this short break with more news. Nestle's stock price is expected to drop significantly after the abrupt departure of their CEO, Mark Schneider. Schneider's nearly 8-year reign at the helm ended unexpectedly after a board meeting on Thursday. This news comes after a period of declining investor confidence in Schneider's leadership and a series of setbacks for the company, including missed earnings targets and falling sales volume. Nestle has been struggling to keep pace with competitors like Unilever and Danone. Critics say the company's over-reliance on price increases has hurt sales volume as budget-conscious consumers switch to cheaper brands. The company has named 62-year-old Nestle veteran Laurent Freeks as Schneider's replacement. Freeks has his work cut out for him, as he'll need to focus on rebuilding market share and increasing sales growth in a challenging market environment. Freeks has pledged to prioritize organic growth over acquisitions. I'm Katrina Brown, Newswire TV.